kids! Look at this, a giant golden and super thin dosa. Doesn't it look like a crispy, rolled up treasure waiting to be eaten? Crack it open to find the tasty secret inside. A delicious filling of soft, spiced masala potatoes. Dip a piece into some cool coconut chutney and tangy sambar for the perfect bite. Listen to that crunch. It's buttery, savory, and so much fun to eat. Go ahead, dive into this golden delight and enjoy every crispy mouthful. Dear children, look at these snow white, steaming hot, and super soft idlis. Don't they look like little fluffy clouds on your plate? Gently dip a piece into some spicy sambar or cool coconut chutney. The moment you take a bite, it just melts in your mouth. It's a warm, healthy treat that feels like a hug for your tummy. So go ahead, dive into these pillowy delights and enjoy every soft, delicious bite. Hey kids, take a look at these golden triangular and extra crispy nachos. Don't they look like crunchy little mountains of cheesy goodness? Every chip is a base for a flavor party. Pile them high with creamy cheese, zesty salsa, and a dollop of cool sour cream. Whether you like them spicy or loaded with veggies, every bite is a nacho ordinary adventure. Listen to that snap. It's a loud, salty crunch followed by a burst of bold flavors that will have you reaching for the next one before you've even finished the first. So grab a chip, scoop up the dip, and enjoy the ultimate snack attack. Hey kids, look at these golden, sizzling, and super crunchy pakoras. Don't they look like little crispy clouds of joy? Every pakora hides a delicious surprise. Inside, you'll find soft veggies mixed with a secret blend of spicy masalas. Dip one into some tangy chutney, and you've got the perfect snack. Listen to that crunch. It's an explosion of warm, savory flavor in every single bite. So go ahead, grab a hot one, and dive into this crispy delight. Dear children, look at this, a steaming plate of long, twisty, and super slurpy chow mein. Doesn't it look like a colorful mountain of noodle fun? Every forkful is packed with crunchy veggies and savory sauces. The moment you take a bite, feel those silky noodles slide right in. It's a smoky, salty explosion of flavor that will make you want to slurp even louder. So go ahead, grab your fork, start twisting, and dive into this noodle wonderland. Dear children, look at these golden brown, perfectly triangular, and incredibly crispy samosas. Don't they look like little crunchy pockets of pure joy? Every single samosa is hiding a delicious surprise inside. Break through that flaky crust, and you'll find a steaming, mouth-watering filling of spiced potatoes and green peas. Dip it into some tangy mint chutney or sweet tamarind sauce for the ultimate flavor explosion. So go ahead, grab one while they're hot and dive into this crispy, spicy delight. Dear children, look at these, everyone's favorite crispy treats, the Pani Puri. Don't they look like tiny golden balls of joy? Making them is such a fun adventure. We take a crispy puri, fill it with yummy potatoes and chickpeas, and then dip it into cool, tangy mint water. It's a perfect little snack. The moment you eat it, there's an explosion of flavor. You'll love the crunch mixed with the zesty, refreshing water. It's so delicious and chatpata. You'll want to eat them one after another. Enjoy every crunchy splash. Free. Hey kids, look at these. Golden, puffed up, and super crunchy kachoris. Don't they look like little crispy pillows of deliciousness? Every kachori holds a tasty secret inside. Break it open, and you'll find a mouth-watering mix of spicy lentils and flavorful masalas. Pair it with some sweet and tangy tamarind chutney, and you have the perfect treat. The moment you take a bite, listen to that crunch. It's an explosion of warm, savory flavors that will make you want to grab another one instantly. So go ahead, dive into this crispy delight and enjoy the snack of a lifetime. Dear children, look at these giant, golden brown, and perfectly puffed up bhatures. Don't they look like soft, crispy clouds on your plate? Pair them with these dark, spicy chole, bubbling with aromatic masalas and rich flavors. Tear off a piece of that warm bread, scoop up the savory chickpeas, and experience a true flavor explosion. It's fluffy, it's spicy, and it's absolutely delicious. So go ahead, dive into this legendary treat and enjoy every single bite. Dear children, look at these steaming hot, soft, and velvety momos. Don't they look like little pearly pouches waiting to be opened? Every momo hides a delicious surprise inside. Bite into one and you'll discover a juicy explosion of fresh veggies and aromatic spices. Pair them with that spicy red chutney and some creamy mayo, and you've got the ultimate snack goals. They are so tender and flavorful that they'll literally melt in your mouth. So, what are you waiting for? Grab a fork, dip it deep, and dive into this steamy, savory delight.